How to add stories to your loved one's memorial. So in this section, we are going to add a short story to Gabriel Johnson's memorial. So the first thing we need to do is to upload a photo. So I am going to use the same photo I used for his hero image. So after you add your photo, then you give a title to the story you are about to write. So let me add one. After, the next thing you do is to add a contributor name. So if you are the one writing the story, you add your name here. If it is your uncle who would be writing the story, you add your uncle's name here. So let me use my name. Then at the status, normally you select these options after you've input something here. You've given a description to your story. So I have already prepared something. Let me just paste it here. Yeah, so this is just a short story. So in order for people to see it, you need to space them out, space the stories out. Yeah, so after, then you select published. After you select the published, you scroll down and then you click on the save story button. So after you click on the save story button, as you can see, we have a story here. So you can choose to add another story as I have done here. So this is another story I created. So with this one, you follow the same steps as I did with the first one. So you let me create another one, another story. So it becomes 3 stories. So you add your story title. So let me add early life and education. And then you add a photo. I'm using this as just an example. If you don't have a photo too, you just leave it like that. It is not mandatory to add a photo. The only mandatory ones are the ones that have red asterisk attached to them. So after you add your title, you add a contributor name. So for instance, let's say it's your uncle. So you add Uncle Jojo. And then you add something small, a description to your story. So after adding a description, you choose the status for it to be published. And then you scroll down, then select save story. After doing that, you can now see your new story has now added to the already existing stories you created. There's also an option for you to drag the stories as you want them to appear. So as you can see, the one I just created now, I dragged it up, or maybe you want it to appear first, you drag it up. Yeah, so that's all for creating a story for your deceased loved one. Thank you for watching.